Yes, sir. Very good.
You know it.
Oh, I missed. Oh. Oh, what is that? Cinnamon desloche? Something like that right there?
Pumpkin whip. With
Oh,
this,
yeah. Yeah,
with
give-
the cinnamon.
Oh, yeah. Give
Cinnamon, the spice, the
that's
pumpkin spice.
That's
Yeah.
good stuff right there. I need to be in coffee with that.
Right?
You know? Oh my god. Hey, here, that was coming good.
Dang, I done messed you up a
You
little
did.
bit.
You got it. That's good. Armand, so when you put, remember I told you earlier, when you put stuff back, put it where it goes? Cream cheese goes down here. What's up, there, Mac? Oh, Martha. I'm gonna start charging you. And you can't use Sharif's tab, I'm already using it.
Yes. Shoot, Sharif trying to get him his raise.
Yeah, tomato cheese, and today is the 24th, 2/24. You don't have to put your name.
There's a pastry chef.
So, put it right there, and then see if you can put this in the small one.